G'day guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today we are making our way to the SS Sapona. It's a sunken shipwreck. We're gonna go diving, snorkeling, all the rest of it and whatnot. So keep watching to see some of that. We have set sail to our new anchorage. What is it, day 3? It's about, 2-hour sail? Almost. Yeah. Keen. Woo. Right, made it to the shipwreck. It was probably like 45 minutes because we only mowed it, we didn't sail. G'day guys, what's going on? Just sailed from, we didn't sail, we motored from the shipwreck to this little cove in this private yacht club island. It's a little bay. So we're not allowed to step foot on that island, which is not great, but it's fine. I mean, we're on a boat anyway. We can go on that island, and there's another island on the other side of this island, but we just came here because it's really nice and protected. It's going to be one good afternoon swim, I can tell you that much. G'day guys, this concludes day 3 of the big journey. Went swimming a lot, went snorkeling a lot, had dinner, cooked a bit of steak, sausages. Yeah, it was nice, it was really good. We played a few card games. Right now just sorting out like all the videos taken off the GoPro and whatnot, and thought I'd film a little outro. Gonna start heading to bed now. But thank you for watching. There's the seat. Yeah.
You think this is a good angle, babe? Hi guys, welcome back.
This this morning Shell's going to give me a haircut. I need it bad. She's going to give me a nice mullet, take these sides off, and yeah, enjoy the clip. Ew. Pretty sure.
Short on the sides, beautiful. Oh, don't show that a little bit, it's gonna mess up. Beautiful. Okay, he's gonna jump in now. Give us a mullet shake. No, turn around, turn around.
I'll get everyone.
And I give us a mullet shake. Beautiful. Love it. Hi guys, it's Lachelle. Everyone is currently asleep upstairs, so I just wanted to check in. We are currently making our way to the Berry Islands. We have left Bimini. I reckon we've been sailing for like 5 hours now, and I reckon we'll get there at around 1 AM. Something fell down earlier and broke. It was like a room spray. Now the whole boat smells like that. Let's go upstairs. Okay, I've come back downstairs. Oh my days. Okay, because I don't want to wake anyone up. But yeah, as you can see, it's very pleasant, very, very pleasant weather outside. It's super lovely. Very lovely. But yeah, as you can see, these kind of times are a bit boring. There's not much to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll go wake up Zaid, because I'm bored. No, I'm just kidding. I'll let him sleep. We're hoping that where we're going is going to be a bit more protected from like the wind and the swell, and hopefully it'll be better weather. I'll see you guys soon.
Good morning, guys. Another beautiful day at our new anchorage after our 18-hour sail. And where are we? In the Bahamas?
The Berry Islands.
The Berry Islands. And in the Berry Islands, we cannot go on this island, nor that island.
We can go on that one. We can't go on these, and we can't go on those ones. That's a big one there. But we can go on this one, and here we can swim with pigs, which is
how exciting. Swim with, are they wild pigs or are they people who own these pigs?
I don't know.
We don't know, we're about to find out. So we're here for what, 4 days? 2 or 3 days, and then we're gonna head off to the Exumas, which is very exciting. Apparently it's awesome weather all the time, and we got some friends there. It was pretty rough last night. We barely sailed at all. Barely sailed at all, just motored. At least we're here now. It's awesome. Beautiful weather. We're gonna do our little workout, or Lockie's workout. He's got a circuit set for everyone. Jump in the water, and hopefully edit a little bit, finish a video and get it posted. You.
guys.
G'day.
We have just came over to this little island. The boat is over there. Wait at it.
Right.
Look at this little starfish that we found.
There's one dried up on the beach that Shell saved.
Yeah, there was one dried up on the beach. This one's alive though, and he's so cute. He's adorable. But yeah, we are exploring this island. It's kind of like mangroves, and the sand that's like in the water here is kind of like, it's like squishy, like you kind of sink into it.
It's like mud.
Yeah.
If sand could be mud, imagine that.
We reckon that we're gonna go to the other side of this island tonight. It's a really nice bay, and we're gonna be able to go on the beach there, because at the area that we're at now, that island and that island is owned by the cruise ships. You can see the cruise ship right there. Shaylin read a thing and it said that they are, what did it say about the canines?
Oh yeah, there's like there's watchdogs around that island to make sure no one goes on it.
Yeah.
Which is pretty wild. But hey, they can patrol it how they want. But if you might not be able to see, it might be too bright, but over there, just next to the cruise ships, there's like a whole island, and it's like made into a resort. Yeah, it's a whole island turned into like a, how do I explain it, like a Sea World or like a white water world or a dream world. It's like a whole resort. It's insane, which is, yeah, wild, but we're not allowed on it, I don't think. So yeah, we're just gonna move. Oh wow, another starfish. What? 3 so far. 3 and counting, I believe. So we'll check in back with you guys. I don't know if we're moving tonight or tomorrow morning, but yeah, you guys will find out.
This is like so cute. I want to swim in here. No. You don't think we will? We just want to go in the middle here. So you just have to push us off the water. We actually did it, guys. It's hard, guys. It's probably high tide. Oh yeah. Oh. No, it's not.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Shell and I are just editing another one. Hopefully get it up soon. Currently sailing to our new destination right now. Pretty calm, pretty smooth sailing. Where we're going will be in the next coming video. Super keen to get it up, and yeah, cheers, like and subscribe. Peace.